Hello everyone, it's Akira here, and my today's vlog is we're gonna be doing unboxing of my newly arrived package that I bought in Jeffresstar. Sorry for my voice guys kasi we had a party last night tsaka ang daming tawanan kaya ito yung resulta. So now, let's start. So guys, I ordered a concealer from Jeffresstar and ito yung package niya. So dumating siya last week and I opened this one already because I was excited. And then I have tried this on as well. But I wanna show you guys kung ano yung resulta and I wanna give feedbacks as well sa product. So, i-open na natin. So, napaka well packed niya guys kasi nilagyan nila dito ng tape sa edge, yung star na tape, yung napaka-cute. And I had a hard time cutting this one last week. So, open na natin. So, ito yung loob. Meron siyang, para siyang paper na pink. Tsaka ito lang yung laman, guys. Ito lang. So, ito yung box ng concealer. Super cute. Meron siyang glitters, if you can see. Napaka-girly. So, all around, meron siyang glitters dito. So, yung shade niya, guys, is C10. Yan. So, binuksan ko na siya. So, kaya nagkaganyan. So, C10 siya, guys, yung shade. So, buksan natin. So, hindi na ako maso-surprise guys ha kasi na-try ko na siya. But, ang cute-cute ng container niya guys. I'm gonna show you. This one! So, see, meron siyang star. Para siyang magic one. Ang ganda. Super cute talaga. Gusto ko yung ano niya, container. So, itatry na natin, guys. Okay, so, lagay na natin. Ang cute ng mirror ko, guys. Jeffresstar din. So, kaya ako na Jeffresstar. Ano siya? Ito yung highlighter ko from Jeffresstar din. So, napaka-useful kasi ang laki ng mirror niya. Ilagay na natin, guys. I forgot, dapat ano lang, 2-stroke lang kasi napaka-pigmented niya. Dapat maliit lang kasi ano na siya, mag-spread siya agad. Madali siyang i-blend. So, blend natin guys. I'm using my concealer sponge. Ang ganda niya guys, sobra. Sa lahat ng concealer na ginamit ko, kasi marami akong concealer dito. So far, nung na-try ko siya, so far sa lahat ng na-try ko, ito yung parang the best. Kasi hindi siya mabigat sa mukha. Tsaka madali siyang i-blend. Ang ganda niya guys. Super puti. Blend lang natin. Ayan guys. So maglalagay lang ako ng setting powder guys para mas maganda yung effect niya. So, lagay tayo. Hindi ko siya i-bake guys kasi pag i-bake ko siya para siyang mag-cake tingnan. Papangit siya. Ayaw kong mag-bake sa mukha. So after nito, i-brush ko na lang. stash natin. Ang ganda niya sa gabi, guys. Nakakawala ng eye bags. Tsaka nakaka-blooming. Yan. Gusto ko to, guys. So, yung C10 na shade is for me lang. Parang okay lang siya sa skin tone ko. Okay lang siya tingnan. Gusto ko siya, guys. Dapat may setting powder ka para mas maganda yung effect. So, I am happy of this product, guys. Kasi yung packaging niya, check. Maganda. Yung container niya, check. And yung shade niya, big check. Gustong-gusto ko. So, I think I'm gonna stick to this product. So, to those who want to order, guys, of this product, you can check the Jeffresstar website. I'm gonna put the link down here. And I bought this product $18 US, but it's excluded shipping fee. So, I don't know if how much yung shipping fee from other countries, but dito sa New Zealand is I paid the shipping fee $7 New Zealand dollars, and worth siya kasi after 3 days dumating na siya kasi yung courier is DHL, so okay lang. So I think that's all for tonight, and I'll see you next time. Bye!